We'll guide you through how to improve mic quality Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click File on the top menu to access the available options. Then select Import from the menu to bring your audio into the project panel. Choose the audio file you want to use. Then click Open to import it into the project so it becomes available for editing. After that, drag the audio onto the timeline so you can start working with it directly. For example, trim or cut the audio first so you can compare the original sound with the improved mic quality version more clearly during playback. Move the playhead according to your needs to find the exact position where you want to create a split in the audio. Then select the razor tool so you can cut the clip at a specific point. Cut the timeline at the playhead position to divide the audio into separate sections that can be edited independently. After making the cut, press V on the keyboard to switch back to the selection tool so you can continue editing normally. Next, select the second audio clip so you can apply the improvements only to that part and keep the first section unchanged for comparison. Move the playhead to the beginning of the audio again so you can preview the result from the start. Then go to Window on the top menu to access additional panels in Premiere Pro. From the drop-down menu, select Essential Sound to activate the Essential Sound panel so you can use built-in audio presets. After that, go to the Essential Sound panel where you can enhance your audio quality. In the preset section, change it to podcast voice to apply a clean and balanced voice setting. Then disable enhanced speech so you can manually control the audio adjustments. Go to the repair section, and if needed, enable reduced noise to minimize background noise. Adjust the reduced noise level according to your needs so the voice remains clear without sounding unnatural. Next, go to the clarity section, and if needed, adjust dynamics according to your needs to balance the volume and improve overall sound quality. Press space or click the play button to preview the result and listen carefully to the difference between the original and improved audio.